Moving back. A great addition to any app is to have a back button that will navigate you back by one screen. Let's learn more by watching the following video. We start by inserting a button from the menu at the top of the screen, followed by button from the preceding menu. Change the text property value to back. Select the onSelect property value from the property drop-down and add the following formula. Yes, it's that simple. Now you have a back button that will navigate you back one screen. It is also a good idea to take the user back to the search screen after any additional data or amendment that has been saved. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.